Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm one of the technicians here at Expert Automotive. I've been in the auto repair business for 51 years. Yeah, that's a lot of time, and certainly a lot of things have changed since the early days. But that's one of the things I like about this career. It's extremely challenging. And because of that, it keeps me kind of young. I was the first in our group in my hometown to get ASE certification when ASE first came out, and that was probably in around 1975. Since then, I've always been involved with schooling, both through professional terms and parts houses, to keep ahead of the technology, which is pretty tough today. Some of the challenges that we face obviously are technical. And the whole group here at Expert Automotive keep up on every detail to take care of your car. We're up on the latest technical service bulletins that the manufacturers give us, as well as all the latest repair information. We also believe in diagnose before you fix something. And that's something that you're probably not going to get in a lot of other places. And again, that's something that years in the business will certainly give you. The other nice thing about Expert Automotive is we all have a history in the auto repair business. And that's important. We all love it. There isn't much in the way of cars that we can't repair, whether it's an older muscle car that you've got, or it's one brand new Jaguar or a Mercedes-Benz, or just a Ford Escort. Really doesn't matter. We can handle everything here for you. So I hope you come in, and if you do, ask for me, and I'd be glad to take care of your vehicle for you. We have a saying that we're the best simply because our customers say so.